Hello friends, welcome back. Thanks for your response to my last video and wonderful comments and queries. Hopefully you are learning just like that to like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the bell icon to get the latest notification. Now this is to remind you that in my last video I have given you a fair understanding of need, want and demand. Now let us go a step ahead and know the concept of need hierarchy theory given by Maslow. Friends, practical understanding starts when we start living in concepts instead of merely learning it. This is actually a wonderful stress buster practice if we adopt such a practice in day-to-day life. Like when you encounter with a person जो नॉर्मली पॉपुलर है अपने मिसबिहेवियर के लिए एंड वियर्ड रिएक्शन ही देता है, से भी अगर आप एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कीजिए और उसकी नीड डेफिसिट जानने की कोशिश करेंगे तो संभवतः आप उसकी मनस्थिति समझने में आसानी होगी और आपका उसके प्रति रिएक्शन उसकी नीड डेफिसिट मैनेज करता हुआ होगा. तो देन यू विल फाइंड दैट उसके रिएक्शन एटलीस्ट आपके लिए बदले हुए होंगे. I mean to say that the understanding of need is basically not only meant for marketing of products or services, but also it is an interpersonal relationship. इसीलिए ये HR का इंटीग्रल सेगमेंट भी है. Hopefully you will practice it and share your experiment in my comment box. As you can see, Maslow's hierarchy theory of need is broadly classified into two segments. The first is the deficiency need and the second is the being needs. जो स्टोरी मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में सुनाई थी उस सिचुएशन में all deficiency need की डेफिसिट थी. If you can remember, the quenching of thirst, that was the survival need, the safety need, that was of safely reaching to home, the meeting with the loved ones, that was the social needs, and again back to the business, that was for the esteem needs. Now physiological, physical survival needs basically covers deprivation of food, water, shelter, which is common need of all the living beings including insects and the animals, the absence of which leads to the failure of metabolic activities and may be the cause of death also. Next level of need after satisfaction of this is the safety needs, which reflects in the deprivation of protection from risk, danger, which is also required by almost all the living beings. The type and the level of protection needed may be different depending upon the strength and weakness, like चींटियां, मधुमक्खी, birds, and many more who are living in groups. And for human beings, the insurance policy for the life term, the medical claim for health and wellness, the job security for financial security, the law and order to live safe in a place, and protection from various diseases and natural calamities. The next level of need after fulfillment of safety needs is the social needs. Social needs are felt when there is a feeling of deficit of the belongingness, the love needs or the affection needs from the near and dear ones. From here onwards, these needs are more specific to human beings and sometimes for some pet or trained animals like horse, dog, elephants, etc. The highest level in deficiency is the esteem needs. This is the last category of need, and in this category, the deficiency occurs due to the deficit of prestige issue, which is specific to individual. It may be related to either recognition, self-evaluation, etc. To make you understand this concept, I would like to take the reference of a most popular ritual of conducting a Satnarayan Puja, wherein the story represents the expression of deprivation of needs with the help of certain characters and satisfaction of the same by the universal support after the conduct of karma with true spirit. I hope those who know the story are already well connected and those unaware must know that the story में कुछ characters हैं जो specific need deficit को depict करते हैं. Like एक गरीब विप्र है जो खाने के लिए भटक रहा है, मीन्स डेफिसिट ऑफ सर्वाइवल नीड्स। एक किंग है एंड एक बिजनेसमैन है जिनके पास सब कुछ है, even the esteem needs are fulfilled, but there is a deficit of social needs because of the absence of child. एक वाइफ है एंड उसकी डॉटर है, उनके हस्बैंड बिजनेसमैन हैं जो कि आउट स्टेशन काम से जाते हैं, बट बहुत दिनों तक लापता होने की वजह से, बिलोंगिंगनेस होने की वजह से एक सेफ्टी नीड उनके लिए क्रिएट होती है वाइफ और डॉटर के मन में, एंड ये उनकी सिक्योरिटी के लिए भी होता है। एक राजा है जिसका सारा रात पात नष्ट हो जाता है सिर्फ एक मिसकंडक्ट की वजह से, दैट इज लॉस ऑफ एस्टीम नीड्स। दोस्तों, such stories made an integral part of our society with due intention to enable us to be motivated to achieve the higher level of needs at the earliest and avoid stagnation at the low and deficiency needs. Friends, Maslow need hierarchy also establishes and believes that the higher level of need will be achieved when the lower level of needs are almost fulfilled. यानी जब आपकी deficiency need पूरी हो तो ही आप बीइंग नीड्स की तरफ ध्यान दे सकेंगे। इसका एक बड़ा रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल आपके सामने रखती हूँ। एक राजा जिससे सारे दुख छिपाए जाते हैं ताकि उसे हमेशा सुख और अच्छाई ही दिखाई दे, तो उसकी डेफिशिएंसी नीड तो कभी रही ही नहीं, यानी यकीनन उसकी कॉग्निटिव नीड ही हो सकती है जो कि उस राजा को कुछ नया सीखने के लिए प्रेरित करती है, यदि वो चाहे तो। Isn't it? जी हाँ, मैं महात्मा गौतम बुद्ध की बात कर रही हूँ। उन्होंने जब पहला दुख देखा तो उनकी इच्छा तुरंत मदद करने की रही होगी, मीन्स कि उनकी नीड वॉज अलाइव एट दैट मोमेंट एंड इट मे बी नॉट द डेफिशिएंसी नीड, इजंट इट? पर जब अनेकों लोगों को और अनेक प्रकार के दुखों को उन्होंने देखा तो उनकी जर्नी फॉर सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ नीड, दैट इज बीइंग नीड, स्टार्ट हो गई, जो कि ट्रांससेंडेंस पे जाकर के रुकी। दोस्तों, बीइंग नीड अचीव करने वाले लोग बस 1 or 2% होते हैं, क्योंकि डेफिशिएंसी नीड का सर्कल ब्रेक करना इतना आसान नहीं होता है। इसलिए धर्म को कर्म से जोड़ा जाता है। द पर्सन हु हैज अचीव्ड देयर बीइंग नीड्स रिमेन्स सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड टू एंश्योर इंट्रिंसिक ग्रोथ। व्हाट दे नो कैन बी डन only by them and no one else. They believe that a man can be, he must be. He can be distinguished from the rest by understanding the level of the ability of acceptance of facts, spontaneity, being responsive for others than self, and not being prejudiced. The being needs are further divided into 4. First of all is the cognitive need, that is knowing and understanding, the expression of nature of human to learn, explore the ability of expect, discover and create to get a better understanding of the world around them. Aesthetic needs. This need is a high level of need to relate in a beautiful way with the environment and leads to beautiful feeling of intimacy with the nature and everything. Next level is the self-actualization, which is an instinctual need of humans to make the most of their abilities and to strive to the best they can, which is need for growth, development, utilization of potential, becoming all one that can be to the fullest of its self-fulfillment, which leads to the last level, that is the level of transcendence need, the need for helping the others to get self-actualized. This need, when fulfilled, leads to a feeling of integrity with the universe. That universe and I are one. दोस्तों, please understand that जैसा कि हमको सिखाया जाता है कि संतोष परम सुखम, that is keeping the satisfaction of need to lesser possible level, our achievement to upgrade the satisfaction of higher need will be more prompt. इसलिए नीड हायरार्की इस बात पर निर्भर नहीं करती कि आप क्या काम करते हैं या आपकी क्या आय है। इसी बात को कुछ और रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं। गौतम बुद्ध, महावीर स्वामी, साईं बाबा आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ट्रांसेंडेंस स्टेज। और भी लोग हुए हैं, बट दीज आर सफिशिएंट। चाणक्य वाज आल्सो a very self-actualized person and he was well known for his wisdom and well established the nation. His Niti Shastra and Artha Shastra are an inspiration for the young generation also. Jadav Paling, the forestman of India, is a very good example of aesthetic needs. We can place many kings like Chandragupta Vikramaditya, Krishnadev Rai, Raja Bhoj and many more in the category who have simply satisfied with their cognitive need by promoting the various cultural activities. वहीं अगर हम लोग दुर्योधन की बात करें तो उसकी deficiency of esteem needs इतनी ज्यादा थी कि he lost everything and could not reach to any higher level of needs. Whereas because of his high aspiration of social needs, his friend Karan suffered a lot. Even having achieved the higher level of being need, this deficiency of social need led to his disaster even when he was proclaimed as दानवीर कर्ण. दोस्तों, यदि हम आज के परिवेश में एक अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ की बात करें तो डिस्पाइट बीइंग देम वेल प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ द पेरेंट, they need to ensure fulfillment of all the needs above the deficiency need for their future. Likewise, family of lower middle class or workmen may observe stress in the fulfillment of safety needs onwards. However, if we are able to learn to be satisfied in the accomplishment of need in minimum level, we may move forward for the fulfillment of higher level of needs early and easily. चलिए इस बात को एक पॉपुलर स्टोरी के माध्यम से समझते हैं. एक कॉमन मैन है, मिडिल मैन, जो कि एक सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है एंड ही मूव्स अराउंड द सिटी टू सेल द वाटर प्यूरिफायर्स. एवरीथिंग वाज वेल एक्सेप्ट हिज परसेप्शन टुवर्ड्स लाइफ एंड व्हिच रिजल्टेड हिम बीइंग अ रूड एंड quarrelsome man. So it was a usual day and also started with the same unpleasant quarrel with his wife, shouting at the neighbors, scolding his children, and many grudges to the god for not supporting to him in anything. That day, he had to go to deliver as well as fix the consignment of purifiers in a very big school. But in the middle of his way, his colleague called him up and said that the school has cancelled the order, since they were looking for an international brand for purifiers. He again got furious because now his job was at stake. His financial security was at stake. Now this morning was very bad for him. He felt severe headache and visited the doctor as it was quite frequent during the last few days. Doctor advised him for some rapid tests. When he went there and picked up his report from the junior, he came to know that he was suffering from brain cancer and that too at a last stage. Oh my God. In a few seconds, he lost everything with a flick of a moment. Is it all over? What will happen? How will my family live after my demise? Is it the end of the story? If it was, why he was spending all the precious time early and quarreling in earning the money this way or that way? Thousands of questions were hovering around his head and mocking at him for spending the available precious moments of life in wasteful activities. Suddenly, the senior doctor called him up and apologized for the reports. Actually, he was absolutely fine and the report of some other person was filed in his report. Now it became the finest day of his life. This was the actual moment when he realized the blessings bestowed by the God on him and the essence of life itself. Then he moved on from these three deficient level of needs to the higher level of needs by merely changing the perception and was upgraded to fulfill his upper needs, resulting which he went back to his work happily. This change was noticed by all, including his family, colleagues, neighbor. A man of quarrel turned into a very polite gentleman. So दोस्तों, containing lower urges while fulfilling the needs is best formula instead of learning the same post undergoing such situations. Thank you and all the best.